Hey guys, for this video we're going to try to use SuperClean to clean my carburetor parts. So SuperClean was nice enough to send me some products a couple of months ago, and I want to give this degreaser a shot with the carburetor. We're going to let it soak for a while and see what they look like afterwards. On the back it says for use with engines, tools, grills, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning uses. It says not to let it dry and that we'll have to rinse the parts afterwards, which all sounds pretty simple, but to give you an idea what things are looking like right now, so we can get kind of a basic concept of the before here. So, as we get parts taken off, we'll chuck them in here, we'll fill this thing up, soak it, see what it looks like after a little bit. And now we wait. Definitely could have let them soak a little bit longer. It's only been like an hour, but I'm impatient, so we're gonna rinse them in some hot water here. That looks pretty good. Let me toss all these pieces around in it and get them cleaned up, and we'll show you the after. Take a couple after looks of the pieces. Just rinsing them off there, wiping them. Definitely a lot cleaner. This carburetor's over 20 years old and never taken it apart to clean it before. There it is, guys, using SuperClean to clean the carburetor. Got the carburetor all put back together. Not too shabby for 20 years old, but the important part is, does it start? Let's give it a shot. Well, SuperClean worked pretty good for that. Thanks for watching.